Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make scrolling or crawling text like news in the CapCut Mobile. So if you want to have a moving text like on the news update, here I'm going to show you how. Let's just open the project first. For example, I want to have a moving text in here at the bottom of the video. So first, let's just create the text. You can click on a text, add text, and then just write the text. So in this case, I'm going to just write the title of this video. Moving text like on the news. Sorry. Okay, like this. You can change the style and also the font to how you like it. I'm going to change the font first. Let's try. Okay, I'm going to use this pop-ins, and for the styles you need to go to background and choose this one and set the color of the background. I'm going to go with red. I think this one. You can adjust the background, and here you can click on a check icon and reposition the text. Okay, I'm going to go like this. Okay, now you can go like this. Don't forget to adjust the duration of the text, and here to make it move you can use keyframe. So you can add a keyframe at the first or at the start, and then add another keyframe in here and move the text. So sorry, I'm going to put the text a little bit to the right, like this for example. Now in the center I'm going to move it a little and move it just like this. Let's see how it moves. If it's a little too slow, let's just remove it, or you can also remove the one in the center. In here you can adjust the duration if you want to make it move faster. Okay, let's see the result. You can also adjust the graphs if you want to. Okay, you can go like this, and if you want to have another text you can duplicate this one and put it side by side. You can change the content of the text to the next one. So that's how you can have moving text like on the news in CapCut Mobile. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.